The MQ-25 unmanned refueler from Boeing is planned for service in 2 years. It carries 6,800 kilograms of fuel and can fly 926 kilometers for in-flight refueling of carrier-based aircraft. It uses the probe and drogue system and can plot its own route. The Shadow S-3 helicopter-type patrol drone from Exsun disassembles to fit in a backpack. Speed up to 100 kilometers per hour. Flight time up to 100 minutes. Handles wind up to 17 meters per second. IP55 protection, can fly in rain and dust. Equipped with a searchlight and machine vision cameras. The TechMount Mini Mounting System consists of a disc and a clip. Allows 360-degree angle adjustment of gear in 15-degree increments without tools. Suitable for attachment to belts, vests, and molly loops. Price for a set, $60. The XL R80 Through-Wall Vision Technology Radar. It detects live objects through walls at distances over 100 meters. Weight, 19.5 kilograms. Operable by one person. Data is displayed on a 10-inch tablet. It can observe static and moving figures and record video, 12 hours of memory. The MIRA Safety CM8M Full-Face Tactical Respirator. It provides protection against toxic chemicals, warfare agents, biological and nuclear threats. It is effective against mustard gas for about 30 hours, shelf life 20 years. Uses two 40mm NATO standard cartridges, compatible with sights and night vision devices. The Part 2 shell catcher is a production version for the Heckler & Koch 416 rifle. It holds 30 shells, is easily emptied with a zipper, and a bonus feature is that it diverts some of the gases produced during firing. The ACES 5 New Generation Ejection Seat. Modular. Reinstallation takes 25 minutes. Spinal injury risk is only 1%. Effective up to 18,300 meters altitude and speeds up to 1,111 kilometers per hour. Installed on F-15 Eagle, B-1B Lancer, and other aircraft. The Invis FS-100L Shooting Simulator. It can train up to 15 people simultaneously. It uses 6 patented Invis Bluefire wireless weapons. Instructors can see the slightest details of trigger pull. 9,000 3D models and landscapes are available. The Trophy Active Protection System, APS, is constantly being updated. For example, an electronic optical omnidirectional system was added in 2021. The interception rate in tests is over 90%. It is used on tanks like Merkava 4 and M1A2 Abrams. It uses radar to track targets and fires fragmentation rounds. The Bison Unmanned Truck. It carries 4 tons of cargo. Equipped with an autopilot, obstacle detection module, and a UAV landing pad. It operates up to 8 hours on a single charge and travels 30 kilometers. It is controlled remotely up to 30 kilometers away. The Panther KF-51 main battle tank Rheinmetall. Armament: 130mm smoothbore gun, 40% higher lethality than Leopard 2. Features passive, active, and reactive protection, as well as a transparent armor system,
all-round visibility via cameras. Highway range 500 kilometers.
The MBDA Enforcer missile system, designed to engage targets at ranges up to 2 kilometers, can attack structures and lightly armored targets. The set weighs just 9 kilograms. Unique capability: air burst detonation to engage enemies behind cover.
The MineGuard Mine Detection and Disposal Scanner, effective at speeds up to 15 kilometers per hour. The MineGuard unmanned vehicle works at speeds up to 9 kilometers per hour, handles slopes, thick vegetation, and water obstacles, up to 76 centimeters. The SSH-3000 aiming system. It allows for accurate fire, including against drones, can be shot down at 100 meters with the first shot. Effective against larger targets up to 250 meters, works day and night. It calculates and displays the aiming point and can lock onto and track a target.
The SJC-6P simulator is designed for Leopard 2 A4 tank drivers. It provides high realism thanks to a platform with 6 degrees of freedom and customizable parameters, climate, time of day. Features NATO standard communication modules.
The Portis Hobbit Counter-Drone Complex consists of D1 Pro detector, detects drones up to 1 kilometer away and classifies them. P1 Pro jammer, weighs 4 kilograms, creates a jamming bubble with a radius up to 2 kilometers. The complex is compact and easy to use for tracking and catching drones.